Java JDK 17 version, mainly using for unsupported applications and tools without coding error installation in your PC and laptop. Browser open, Google search box lo Java download, enter key press. Official link second section lo display. Oracle, oracle.com, Java technologies. Second link click. Oracle official web page complete display. Java downloads section lo 3 options display. First one Java downloads, second one tools and resources, third one Java archive. Click, mouse scroll down. Java SE downloads section lo latest versions and previous versions, all versions available in section. Java SE 17.0.12 and earlier. Click. Java SE 17 archive downloads earlier, mouse scroll down. Java SE development kit supporting OS, Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Last one option, Windows x64 MSI installer. File size 152.67 MB. Related link, last one. Click. Download section lo Java -17.0.12 underscore Windows x64 underscore bin.msi file. Downloading process start. Wait and here. Downloading process completing. Completed. Next, installation setup. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo JDK 17 MSI file display. Select, mouse double click. Preparing to install. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE development kit version 17.0.12. Window lo first button. Next click. Destination folder window lo installation path display. Local disk C program files, newly created folder Java subfolder JDK 17. Second button. Next click. Java SE development kit window lo first button. Yes click. Progress window lo installation status, copying new files, application related extracting files, installation process completed, successfully installed display. Close button click. Download folder reopen. Left side this PC option select. New volume C select open. Program files select, mouse double click. Java folder select, mouse double click. JDK 17 folder select open. Address bar mouse left click, mouse right click. Copy this path. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo env type. First option edit the system environment variable. Click. System properties window lo last button. Environment variables. Click. Second option system variable section lo first button. New. Click. First one option variable name. Enter. Java underscore home. Enter capital letters. Second option variable value. Mouse right click, paste click. First button OK click. Path select. Second button edit click. Download folder reopen. First one folder bin select open. Address bar mouse left click, mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder close. Right side first button new click, mouse right click, paste click. Bottom side first button OK click, OK click and OK click. Installation verify process. Windows search box CMD type. First one command prompt. Click. Shell window Java text command. Enter. Java space ---- version. Enter key press. After successful installation version 17.0.12 J shell. Enter key press. Ready to J shell.